This is Bob Dylan. I will not go down under the ground, 'cause somebody tells me my death's coming around. I will not carry myself down to die. When I go to my grave, my head will be high. Let me die in my footsteps before I go down under the ground. Been rumors of war and wars that have been. The meaning of life has been lost in the wind, and some people think the end is close by. Instead of learning to live, they are learning to die. Let me die in my footsteps